Welcome back to Deals with Lady P. Today I have a short DIY of some bling napkin rings that I'm going to make, and I'm going to show you the process of how I do it. So the first item we're going to need is some bling wrap. You can get this bling wrap from Dollar Tree, but I purchased this from Michael's because I wanted more on the roll, but Dollar Tree sells it in different colors too. And the second item we're going to need is some napkin rings, and they come 6 in the pack, and I got this from Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need a glue gun and some extra glue sticks if you run out. And I also have a little piece of paper towel just in case I need to wipe off. And so the first thing we're going to do, you're going to measure around. You're going to take your bling wrap. I'm going to cut this off to make it simple. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure around and the width of it, and then you're going to cut along here. I already have some cut off to make so the video won't be so long, but you're going to measure around and then you're going to cut along the width of it. And then after you get that, then you measure and cut off across. So I already did 6 of them for video purposes. So this is the size, the width, and it's cut around it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my napkin ring and I am going to put some glue stick, put some glue on the edge over here. And it doesn't matter where you start it where you want to. See, this is why I put use that. Okay, sometimes the glue get on my fingers. And then you're going to go around and you're going to put some, you don't have to put it all over, just okay. I think what happens with me is put a little bit too much in there, and that's why it gets hot. Okay, and then you go a little bit further. And this is coming out real thick. And then I'm just going to put some right along the edge of the okay. Sorry about that. I don't know what that noise was. It's something to do with the phone. I could call myself taking the battery out, so I don't know what that was, but I cut it off, so I get back started. So that's one, and so this is how it turned out. If you can see that, it come out really pretty, really pretty. A little glue there, and I like the way that came out. So I'm going to go and do the rest of them. And okay, I always turn it this way, I guess because I'm right-handed. And I'm just going to put it along here. Now you could decide where you want to place your glue at. You don't have to put a lot on it. It's going to hold really good well. And normally I'm not a DIY person, but I am trying to learn how to do different things. And I only have a couple on my channel, but hopefully more will be coming. Cause I'll try stuff. So I'm gonna start trying more. And this I'm gonna put along the edge, and I got like a little piece of something on there. A little bit more. Okay. And it should fit perfectly. I really cut it to really cut it to fit. Okay, take this little extra glue that's trying to hang around. And that is it. You can clean your little glue off. Oh yeah, that looks good. And so I'm gonna continue to do all the rest of them. It's like this is really cut perfectly. And I take some little stretches off. And those are my 6 napkin rings. Very, very pretty. And you could use these for any kind of decor that you would like to do. This one has a little glue on it that I'm going to pull off. Okay, I'm going to show you how pretty it looks on your napkin. Let me get that right now. Let me get that right. Okay. Now you just slide it through. And look how pretty it looks. How pretty it looks on the napkin. I mean, I could have used another color napkin, bring out the, but what I also had in mind, you could take something and glue it to that. And so what I was thinking, for Valentine's Day, I'm going to take some roses and cut these roses off. Like maybe trim it down to about this in size. And let's see if I could cut these off. Just trim these off all the way around, maybe the bottom layer. Trim the bottom layer off, maybe even more. We'll see. Bear with me now. Just came across this idea, and I'm gonna see how this gonna work. And then I'll go find me some little red roses and just trim off this bottom layer here. Let's see if that's enough. Let's see. We could do it that large. You need some little flower petals on there anyway. And trim this off. And then if we take some glue take this loose, and let's take some glue stick and put this all around here. Okay, I'm going to put that glue there, and we're going to see if it actually glues. And what I should have did was I will come back and try to take off the petals after it stick. The green things, I'm going to cut these off too. But this, I could use that for my napkin rings for Valentine's Day. How does this look? Now let's see how it look on here. I don't have my white napkins right here, but let's see how it will look on a napkin. I think that looks very pretty. And for different, you probably can take that off and put another color on, you know, and just reuse that. But I think that looks very pretty. How you guys like that? You think that looks okay? I think it looks very pretty. And have my little white napkins, or you know, for Valentine's Day, or if you wanted to do red, you could switch with the white or black, whatever color you're using. You don't even have to use the traditional colors. But I think that came out really nice, and I would definitely trim off the extra leaves over here. Definitely trim those off. Probably can do those first. Trim those off. Make it look much neater. And it's holding. It's holding. And have that. I think that looks very nice. That's it. Blinged out, rose blinged out napkin ring. Beautiful Valentine's Day napkin ring. And you could change it. You could put, well, it came to me, we'll put some kisses on there. But you could change it. You could put, I think I have one of these over here. You could put a little heart. You could take it and glue a heart to it. You could put a little heart to it. That'll look nice. And you could find something else. You could put some bees, or I really wanted some kisses, but I didn't buy any. But that would look nice. But I think I'm going to use this one. And that's it. So that is my blinged out. And this one keep looking like it want to fall down, but they can lay down. Yeah, they can lay down. Yeah. My blinged out rose napkin ring. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you'll be inspired. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't hesitate to push that subscribe button and become part of the Deals with Lady P family. I would love, love, love to have you. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. Bye-bye. And I'll see you on the next video.